Okay, let's see what he's gonna do. Wait for him to stop. I'll give you a shot if he stops. Okay. If you can, right underneath the nose. In the middle of the chest, like your giraffe. Okay. Take a couple of breaths, don't shoot if you're not comfortable. Oh no, it's not that far. It's about 170, 160. Right there, it's walking again. You can't shoot when it's walking, eh? It needs to stop. Wait, the calf is right in front of him now. If the bullet dropped, you might have trouble. That's right, just wait. One is moving away. Let's wait for the other one to move away as well. Okay, right in the middle of the chest where the neck joins. If you have the shot, you can take it now. The calf is out of the way. Okay, there the bull is moving. No shot, right. There's a shot, right on the shoulder. Stop, right on the shoulder. Yeah. You have it. Let it go.
I heard the shot there.
Yes, let it go. Alright, you disappear.
Took a while. Long while, but it was worth waiting. That's a nice bull.